Welcome to the Voxtelesys 3CX AI Personal Assistant configuration. Let's begin by logging into the 3CX Management Console. On the left-hand side, click Admin, expand Integrations, and then select AI. This is the central location where AI agents are created and managed. If this is your first time visiting this page, it may be empty until you create your first AI agent. With the AI page open, click Add Agent to begin creating a new AI assistant. This launches the configuration wizard, where you'll define how the AI receptionist will answer calls, interact with customers, and route conversations throughout your organization. The first setting you'll configure is the agent type. Select Personal Assistant. This tells 3CX that the AI will function as a virtual personal assistant, answering inbound calls, responding to customer questions, and transferring callers based on the rules you'll configure later. Next, assign an extension number to the AI personal assistant. Choose an available extension that fits within your organization's numbering plan. Before continuing, verify that the extension isn't already assigned to another user, ring group, or system service. Choose the user this AI personal assistant will represent. Once assigned, the assistant will answer calls intended for that specific user and interact with callers based on the configuration you define. Now select the department or departments where this AI personal assistant should be available. Department membership determines which users, queues, and call flows the AI can interact with. Be sure to include every department that should have access to this personal assistant. Enter a first name and last name for the AI personal assistant. Using a descriptive name such as AI personal assistant, virtual personal assistant, or your company name makes it easier for administrators to identify this agent throughout the 3CX Management Console. Choose the voice style for your AI personal assistant. Each available voice has its own personality and speaking style. Select one that best reflects your organization's brand and provides a natural experience for callers. If available, listen to several voice samples before making your final selection. If you want to retain conversations for training, quality assurance, or compliance purposes, enable Record Calls. Before doing so, make sure your organization complies with all applicable federal, state, or local call recording laws. Configure the maximum call duration. This determines how long the AI can remain on a call before automatically ending the conversation. Shorter durations may reduce OpenAI usage costs, while longer durations generally provide a better customer experience. Choose a value that balances both. Enter the desired Agent Talk link. This creates a web-based URL where users can interact with your AI personal assistant through chat instead of calling. Choose a simple, recognizable link that's easy for customers to remember and share. Next, switch to the Agent Type tab. This section contains the AI's knowledge configuration, greeting behavior, and several settings that determine how the personal assistant responds during conversations. Choose one or more knowledge sources for the AI. These documents and resources provide the information your receptionist uses when answering customer questions. Before enabling a knowledge source, verify that its content is accurate, current, and appropriate for customers. If your organization supports multiple languages, enable Allow Language Switching. You can also customize the AI's opening greeting so every caller receives a welcome message that matches your company's branding, tone, and communication style. Edit the first message field to reflect what you would like the AI agent to start the conversation with. Navigate to the Call Screening section. These settings control how the assistant evaluates incoming calls before determining how they should be handled. Review and customize the blocked call filters. Here you can define which types of calls should automatically be blocked or prevented from reaching the assigned user. Add keywords or phrases that indicate an urgent situation. When callers use these terms, the AI assistant can recognize the higher priority and respond according to your configured call handling rules. Next, open the Spam Filter tab. This section allows you to determine how suspicious or unwanted calls should be handled before they reach users within your organization. Choose what should happen when a call is identified as spam. Depending on your organization's policy, you may send the call directly to voicemail, transfer it elsewhere, or prevent it from reaching employees altogether. Now select the Options tab. This section contains additional behaviors that affect how the AI responds during more advanced or unexpected call scenarios. Complete any remaining spam routing preferences and verify that the selected actions match your organization's call handling policies before moving on. Select the AI Prompt tab. This is where you'll define your personal assistant's personality, behavior, and conversational guidelines. Most of your customization takes place within this section. Finally, edit the AI prompt to provide clear instructions for the assistant. Include details about how it should greet callers, answer questions, handle common requests, escalate issues, and maintain your organization's preferred tone. After reviewing the prompt for accuracy and completeness, click Save, located up top, to complete the configuration. Your AI personal assistant is now ready for testing before being deployed into production.